Let's talk
Yeah.
about Shandur. हो क्या रहा है? अब post May, things are tough between India and Pakistan.
Post May just changed the whole
Changed
game.
the whole
It
world,
changed
right?
everything.
For us, it
Yeah.
changed a lot of things. और
Yeah.
Shandur भी पाक हुआ हुआ है, तैयार है.
Yeah.
Project है ना? It's completely ready. जो बचे हैं संग समेट
It's
लो
ready.
is also ready.
Pretty much. Yeah.
And pretty much. और ये दोनों we're waiting. So
Yeah. Beats me. We have no idea.
your work is done on
Well,
both.
I asked the team the other day कि अब जो ये जो फिल्म फवाद और उनकी वानी कपूर की जो
Abeer Gulal, yeah.
डिले हो गई थी, now they're releasing it but not in India, but they'll release it here.
They are, yeah.
And Hanya's film, the fact that it was released here, that was amazing. I mean, what a star Diljit is.
Yeah.
That was brave. That was the right thing to do. That was a sensible thing to do, and almost honorable.
It was, yeah.
You know, so I think now that I think he gave everyone the confidence who that was in a similar situation like that.
नुकसान उठाया लेकिन.
नुकसान तो उठाया लेकिन उससे कम उठाया ना कि बिल्कुल ही ना आप रिलीज करें. War makes नुकसान तो होता है war में. So the fact that they went ahead with it, the producers went ahead with it, it changed something about the way we perceived. He basically made it look like art is, well, it wasn't him, it was the producers because they had high stakes, but it kind of gave people the confidence and the strength to be like, let's put that aside. The Pakistani actor hai to ban them forever, Indian actor to ban them forever. It's like, move on, आप लोग अपना करें, हम लोग let us still do what we've done because लोगों के पैसे लगे हैं, time लगा है.
So what's your take on that?
I think it was a great move that they released the film.
No, not that.
Oh.
India, Pakistan working together and these projects that are now waiting.
Well, it has changed the way we've all thought of things because
Yeah.
I think, May made us rethink a lot of things the way we were initially gung-ho about it, not because we're hungry for that fame, just because we're hungry for art to collaborate and for artists to just work together.
Yeah.
Because we've seen those times. We always talk about this. It's like a घिसा हुआ record. Kara Film Festival जब होता था, वो लोग आते थे, हमारी फिल्में जाती थी, opportunities. It's just great to see. क्योंकि ज़बान एक है, इसलिए वो देश हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है. अगर ज़बान और होती या हमारे English फिल्में उस तरह चलती, then we'd be back and forth with other countries.
Yeah.
But we're limited to this country only right now because it's the same culture pretty much. So, but after May, maybe we're all taking a step back for now. There's no need. Also because of the way we saw, not just the way we saw that entire country react to what was happening. We reacted very differently.
Yeah.
There was less hate or less we were much more tolerant and we saw the bigger picture. I think छोटी-छोटी चीजों पे हम लोग fixate नहीं हुए थे. And that left a really bad taste in our mouth.
It did.
Yeah.
We became masters of memes.
We did.
I think our meme game is so strong. It's proved.
That left a bad taste, so it's like, okay, see you later. Let's just focus on what we have. We've always focused here, but when a good opportunity comes for change, we've taken that opportunity just for change. It got us no extra money, it got us no extra fame. It was just change. So now it's like, okay, अब जो कर लिया है वो अब इतनी मेहनत से जो बनाया है,
Yeah.
उसको अब लोग देख लें तो
बनाना चाहिए ना, अपने आप को मजबूत करें और अपनी basis को मजबूत करें, all that.
Well, hopefully now we'll have that kind of financial support being injected into our projects.
Where from? The government?
I don't know. Maybe.
कहते तो हैं government वाले, बातें तो बहुत करते हैं, committees बिठाते रहते हैं कि taxes
There are film
कम कर
funds that are now being
film
released,
funds
so
are
it's
being
happening.
I hope so. I hope so. And I hope Shandur will find a platform to release on. I mean, I don't know.
Shandur is something that people would really enjoy.
Because, I mean, I don't know, but I had heard like it would be a kind of Zindagi Gulzar Part 2. I don't know, you and Fawad coming together?
वो नकचड़ी लड़की from a different background and a good-looking prince type आदमी from another world, their worlds collide. So that's what Zindagi Gulzar was also.
Absolutely.
But it's more like my best friend's wedding. You know, it's just an easy, romantic
rom-com
comedy drama with beautiful sets and
this was how many
backdrops.
How many years after Zindagi Gulzar Hai did you shoot for Shandur?
Maybe 10.
10?
10?
10.
Yeah, that's the funny thing now with Fawad. Suddenly, 10 years later, we did 3 projects together.
हाँ ना?
हैं?
हाँ.
So strange.
Incidentally,
Just
जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो में भी you're together. इसमें भी and बरज़ख में, although you were siblings, but चलो
But I
together
mean,
थे.
yeah.
But Shandur is a big one. Is the big one,
Yes.
is the romantic one.
Yeah, yeah.
What was the difference working with Fawad after 10 years on the same kind of a story?
We interacted a lot more on this set.
Okay.
We didn't interact much
Was
the
this
first
after
time.
बरज़ख का shoot or before, or timeline क्या बनता है?
This was after.
Shooting का timeline क्या है तीनों का?
Oh my God.
All over the place, mix and match.
Yeah, mix it because Shandur, there was almost 1 year break. And before I shot, Shandur and Jo Bache Sang Sametlo were back to back in the
Right.
end. It was like 12 days here, do that, catch a flight, and go finish the Europe spell. उससे पहले इस्लामाबाद में था, उससे, I mean, it was all over the
Yeah.
place, yeah. And बरज़ख, and वो भी 10 साल बाद तीनों पहाड़ों में. We were like, क्या हो गया? Shandur was पहाड़ों में काफी बड़ा sequence. जो बचे was also a sequence पहाड़ों में, and of course बरज़ख was all पहाड़ों में.
बहुत पहाड़ों में.
So
Something about
yeah, just
पहाड़.
coincidentally.
And Deedan भी पहाड़ों में था.
And Deedan bhi. And Diyare Dil bhi. I've
Diyare
had a
Dil.
lot of
You've done a
even
lot of
Talkhiyan was.
पहाड़ी
I've done
काम
a lot of
काफी
pahadi
किया.
kaam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. So back to the shoot.
So 7 years.
7 years.
What
no,
change
10,
have I
10,
seen?
10 years
10
between.
years baad Fawad and I
हाँ.
collaborated. 7 years ago I did my last drama serial. What has changed? Not much. मतलब the system जो shoot करने का वही तरीका है, वही hours हैं, वो सब कुछ है. Stories भी are not classics. Like you didn't say 12 years ago. 12 years ago, there's a big change in storytelling. 7 years ago, not so much.
Not so much.
Just new faces, new actors. That's
Yeah.
exciting to see.
है ना?
Yeah.
I think it is. I think we have a
Yeah.
good pool of
I see
actors.
people are really tired of seeing like now the older actors are like, bus, अब now give room for the new blood. There is room. अब खुशाल को देखो.
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ कर रहा है खुशाल. And
What's your take on that though? जो लोग कहते हैं कि जी older actors in roles that are better suited to younger actors, like college roles and all that.
उनका टाइम आएगा उन कॉलेज रोल बच्चों का. हम लोग अपना लास्ट निचोड़ के चले जाए ना. क्यों नहीं? What?
Would you do a college character?
Yeah, if the men can, why can't I?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't
Should
had
the
work
men
done
do-
on my face. Maybe if I have some work done, or if I don't. Actually, not having work done makes you look younger.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, there's a innocence to your
It
face.
depends
or
how
there's
you're
a soft-
aging.
That also depends how you're aging.
It
That's true.
depends how you're aging. But,
But,
should even the men be doing the college roles?
Should or shouldn't की बात नहीं है भाई. इंडिया में we always Brad Pitt अभी
Yeah,
तक करे,
yeah,
शाहरुख खान अभी तक करें, तो फिर ये
College
लोग भी
roles तो
करें.
नहीं करे ना सनम. Heroes कर रहे हैं.
Hello, Amir Khan,
Amir Khan.
3 Idiots.
Yeah. Even that was 10 years ago.
Yeah. तो अभी कौन कॉलेज रोल कर रहा है? दानिश, फहद, हुमायूं. None of them are doing college
No,
roles.
no,
They also know themselves. खुद मना कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
Up until our 30s, we were doing college roles as girls.
If you look the part, I say, if you look the part, do
Yeah,
it. Absolutely. But you should look the part then.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if Amir Khan did a Three Idiots, he
Haan,
lost
he-
the weight,
yeah.
he changed his haircut, his face, everything.
Yeah.
His body language changed. So if you have to do it, then look the part.
Yeah, look the part.
But you can't be a Muhammad Ali Zeba.
Yeah.
That ship has sailed.
But look at the
as
dramas
cute
that
as
are
they were.
popular these days.
हाँ.
Anything can happen. कपड़ों में से हाथ निकल रहे and all that.
Of course,
तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
नहीं नहीं वो तो fantasy है. That is like next level fantasy.
हाँ, that's also true.
कबर में से हाथ निकलना, सांप आ जाने gardens में, और ये तो सब fantasy चल रहा है. वो तो मजे का है. Have you been watching Pakistani dramas?
I was watching.
You watch
no, I don't have the
Parvarish?
time to watch all of it. Parvarish, I would just see some scenes because I really like Bakhtawar's acting and
she's
Nazar.
so good.
I've worked with Misam. So I was just curious to see what Napa students were
Yeah.
getting up to, and I was like, you see it, the finesse in the writing, in the direction, the nuances in acting. ये सब सीखा हुआ है शौक से, but there was a discipline that they went through and for that diploma in Napa, and it shows
I'm sure.
when you put in that
Absolutely,
work.
absolutely. What about film, Sanam? How much fun was Umra Yar for you?
Umra Yar was a lot of fun.
That was also a long
Yeah,
shoot.
I
है
mean,
ना?
again in Islamabad, it was cold.
Yeah.
It was the first project in the middle of COVID almost. A team I'd never worked with before. None of the actors except Ali Kazmi, and not the director or the team or anything. At first I was like, no, I can't do this. I'm always the guinea pig for new projects, new directors, first time directors. No, as far I wasn't a first time director, but this project was the first time. Like, jump in the dark. But it was COVID, and I was like, when am I going to get to hang off cables and green screen and be the one superhero with four other